How to fix guided access if triple click isn't working. Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can fix guided access if the triple click isn't working. Well, to fix the issue, simply go into your settings. Once you go into settings, you want to navigate to accessibility. So you can see under general accessibility, you want to navigate to it. Under accessibility, you want to find in guided access option. So you can see guided access down below. You want to head into it. Now you want to ensure that it is turned on, and then check that the accessibility shortcut option is also enabled, which should allow you to activate guided access with a triple click on the side button. If that doesn't work, you can try and restart your device. So if it is on and you are still having the issue, you can turn it off and enable it again, and then enable it on the accessibility shortcut too. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.